Update KB5089573, KB5092427. Error, something didn't go as planned. No need to worry. Undoing changes. Sure. 1. Restart your PC. Allow Windows to finish undoing changes. Restart your computer normally. Log back into Windows. Check for updates again. 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings, go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, find Windows Update, click Run, apply recommended fixes, restart the PC. 3. Free up disk space, open Settings, System, Storage, delete temporary files, empty the recycle bin, ensure at least 20 gigabytes of free space, try the update again. Run System File Checker, SFC, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type SFC, scan now, press Enter, wait for the scan to complete, restart your PC. 5. Repair Windows image using DSM, open Command Prompt as administrator, run DSM online, cleanup image / restore health, wait until the process finishes, restart the computer. 6. Reset Windows Update components, open Command Prompt as administrator, stop Windows Update services, rename software distribution, catch root 2, restart the services, reboot your PC, retry the update. 7. Disconnect external devices, unplug USB drives, disconnect printers and external hard drives, leave only keyboard, mouse, and monitor connected, install the update again. 8. Temporarily disable antivirus software. Disable third-party antivirus programs. Turn off additional firewall software if installed. Run Windows Update, re-enable security software after installation. 9. Install KB5089573, KB5092427 manually. Open the Microsoft Update catalog, search for KB508957573, KB5092427, download the version matching your system, run the installer manually, restart the PC. 10. Perform an in-place repair upgrade. Download the latest Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Run the tool as administrator. Choose Keep Personal Files and Apps. Complete the repair upgrade. Check for updates after Windows restarts.